Connect, learn, and elevate your craft at the 2019 Remodeling Show, co-located with DeckExpo in Louisville, Kentucky, November 6th to 8th. This is a must-attend show for residential remodeling and building professionals. You'll experience a vibrant expo hall filled with the latest products and services, an in-depth educational conference program with business and job site training, and fun networking events with fellow industry professionals. Our expanded lineup of 7 live building clinics lets you engage in hands-on training with industry experts in real-world job site settings. These clinics will help you refine your techniques, increase your productivity, and give you first-hand views of the newest products in action. Experience new cutting-edge building products and services from over 200 building product manufacturers, and learn industry trends at the business clinics and meetup sessions in the exhibit hall. The revamped conference program for this year's show in Louisville is packed full of learning opportunities so that you can be ready to take your remodeling business to the next level, with over 45 sessions from 7 new education tracks. Whether your focus is on building strategies, design, project management, or sales and marketing, we'll have an education track designed for you. Also new to this year's show are 2 intensive boot camps that will address leadership and financial management challenges. Not only can you connect with industry participants and build your network, you'll meet an all-star cast of industry leaders and influencers as they share their experiences and secrets. The conference program begins November 6th and the exhibit hall opens November 7th. Don't miss out on this year's Remodeling Show and DeckExpo. Register today